Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add text to your images in PhotoRoom, making them perfect for social media, marketing or product posts. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap Start from Photo, then select the image that you want to edit from your gallery. As soon as you select the PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background, giving you a clean canvas to work with. Next, you can just go to the classic section, then tap on any photo preview. This opens the editor. Now tap on the text in the toolbar. Here you will see ready-made styles like default styles, labels, sales and so on. You can just choose on any style that you want. Then you can edit the text by typing your own words. As well as you can change the font style and adjust the size. If you want, you can change the colors to match your design. You can also combine text with other tools like inserting to add icons or logos and use backgrounds or shadows to make the text pop. When you are satisfied with your results and your text look perfect, you can just tap save. Then click on close design. This will save your image in your device, and that's how it is easy to add text to images in PhotoRoom. You can now create stylish social media posts and product promotion. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.